Hi everyone, this is how you assemble the stand for the G75F 40-inch Samsung gaming monitor. All you're gonna need is the 3 items that come inside the box. You're gonna need the neck, the base plate, and the decorative cover that comes with it. So what we'll do next is take the neck of the stand and make sure the grooved face part of the stand is aligned with the arrow that's on the base plate. You wanna slide that onto the base plate, make sure it's on there firmly, and then twist clockwise until you hear that click. All right, you got your base plate assembled. What you want to do is take the face part of it and align it to the grooves on the back of the monitor. Next, we take the decorative cover and slide it over the hinge of the monitor. Line up the slots with 2 plastic pegs. Hear the click. Take the secondary piece of the decorative cover. Make sure it's perfectly above the slots. Slide it down. Hear the click and you're good. All right, now that we have the base assembled and attached to the actual screen monitor, all we have to do is grab it by the neck, pull it out of the box, set it down, and voila, you're good to game.